health sector. The project name is BloodSphere, a centralized blood donation platform. The domain in this competition is for web dev. So my name is Saurabh Suresh Karki and I am a ML developer. Anas is a full stack developer, so is Shardendu, and Mayank is backend plus DevOps. So the blood bank has 4 types of users: donors, patients, organization, and an admin. The main features are here as follows: blood request for patients, blood donation history for donors, donation locations by organizations for donors, blood availability organizations for patients, as well as an AI RAG chatbot that is a medical care assistant. So now Mayank will go and present as follows.
So this is the main landing page of the website, and when we click on the Get Start button, we can see that there are 4 different logins, and the routes are properly authenticated with using proper standards in the MERN stack and organization. So this is the organization dashboard. The organization has the option to add blood donation for the donors, so that the donor can track their donation history, and the organization can also see blood requests that are put on the portal by the patients, and they can track their analytics about their own organization. They can also manage their inventory, like they can update how much blood of which type is available in their organization. And there is option to add donation locations also, so that like NGOs can also become organizations, and hospitals and NGOs can be organizations, which will have different donation locations across the city or wherever. And so the donation locations can be like edited and different times and different locations. So this is the donor dashboard. There is the basic information of the donor with some facts about donation. Then there is donation history, where the user can see how many donations he have done, how much quantity has he donated, and at what times. And then there is a donate now, where he can see the donation locations nearby, so that he can like choose where he wants to donate the blood. Then there are certificates to gamify it, so that the donor feels a little motivated. Like there is a bronze certificate for completing first 5 donations and so on. Then there is a give survey, where we can like collect a little bit of data about the donor. And there is that medical bot, which is like AI RAG agent, which can answer queries about the donations and medical field in general. And there is the normal facts page. So this is the patient dashboard. Patient can see the blood availability at different organizations, like how much blood, like the inventory of the different organizations is visible to him, so that he can know where the blood is available, so that he can choose take decisions based on that. Then there is a blood request option, where he can put blood request, which will be visible to the organization with his full details, so that organizations can contact and resolve their request. Then there is a similar chat with AI option and a fact page. And there is a admin dashboard, which is like a super user. So he can manage the analytics of the whole website, like how many organizations, how many donors, etc. are there on the website, and can also like delete any rogue users, like who are spamming or something, and manage other situations.
So here we have used RAGBot that has a knowledge base that is extremely confined to medical databases. So if you even give a typo, it will just go on its query and provide a good answer. But if you ask anything apart from its own context, like you ask something like about NASA, it just straight up refuses to tell anything about it. So it's a good guardrail we have put for medical data, because it's extremely sensitive. Now Shardendu will continue from now.
So the technical features of this website involve real-time blood inventory management and live tracking of that. There is automatic email sending feature through node crons. We have implemented a RAG model where AI member use a medical history of each user to answer personalized requests. There is gamification. We have used two languages for backend, Golang as a microservice and TypeScript-based backend. We have used OTP-based authentication for users to make sure that there are no dummy users. There is real-time detailed visualization and analytics of user donation. Backend is in TypeScript to ensure type safety as well as that there is a speedy request and API calls. There is SEO optimized website in the front end to make sure that the website is always on the top. Now Anas will.
So the tech stack we have used is TypeScript, Node.js, Next, and Node-cron for email sending functionality. Then there is NodeMailer and Axios for sending requests, and Go for as a microservice we have used for chatbot and RAG-based functionality. Now for the possible future improvements, we can improve it further for cross-platform mobile applications using Electron or Tori, and we can have advanced appointment booking system, which we can implement an intelligent time slot location platform for donors and patients. Then we can also increase the scope for RAG for our RAG model, because now it is not accepting the document, but we can further scale it, and it can accept the document input to get better knowledge of the user history. Thank you.
In this, you have for the advanced appointment booking system, right? Cross-platform that once the app is developed, it can be deployed.
Yes, ma'am.
Advanced appointment booking that you think of that the develop algorithm to optimize the appointment scheduling. Okay, it's kind of scheduling problem. How do you take this to?
There are already pre-built scheduling algorithms available. I might not know as of yet, but it is quite widely available.
So you are not thinking that you need to improvise or you directly use those optimizer or?
Yes, ma'am. As we said before, these are the future implementations. We have not thought about it right now.
No, I'm just thinking that
Yeah.
in the future you have certain things in your mind. That's why you are building the future.
Yes, exactly.
Okay. It means that the existing algorithm you will implement.
Yes.
Go to the for the donor profile, you are only taking the donor name, okay, blood type. Only the personal detail that the name, email ID, and donation, how many times he has donated.
Yes.
What about if the person donates and he has something a certain kind of disease?
Exactly, ma'am. That's why we thought about a survey. So when the person takes a survey, he actually gives the information like ailments and everything. So if there is any anomaly, we just flag them and we blacklist the donor.
But in this model where it is, because everything
Yes.
is online.
Yeah.
So where is that model?
And also there is a like basic standard procedure at organizations that the blood can't be transfused into any patient without checking. So I don't think there is any like hardcore need of implementing
No,
this.
they will check, but at least some information should be given.
Yes, ma'am. There are.
Only yes or no, not too much detail, but at least in the, because it's a personal donor information, so at least you need a one label where any pre-clinical history or pre-donation history is there. Only yes or no, so that it is easy to filter out, right? Unless going everywhere.
Yes, ma'am. Can you come again, sir? This is actually just shy of deployment right now. Do you want to go through this on the live side?
What is the percentage of implementation status? What modules are implemented and tested?
Except front end, both the back end, and there is actually a documentation of this website as well for any developer who wants to learn from it, because we plan to open source it. Everything is deployed. Just the front end is, as of now, it's on localhost, but
all the backends are completely deployed and running. On that laptop, we are actually running that as of now, and you can check the rack models as well, like the chat system.
Thank you.